Guys, this video might sound really unbelievable, but trust me, sometime last year around 17th of December, I was in my kitchen staring at a pot of food I was making, you understand, and then at a point my phone burst. Another notification came in and I was like, what happened? What did I see? Someone purchased your product. I smiled. I smiled. Then 2 minutes later, another notification came in. Same thing again and again and again. So by the end of the night, guys, I was still making dinner while my Christmas income was literally working on autopilot. I sat down and checked the dashboard. What did I see? It was mind-blowing. And how did it happen? It happened without me touching anything. And that was the night, guys, that I realized that my Christmas income now runs itself because I built system instead of stress. So today I'm going to show you guys exactly how I automated my entire Christmas income, what I sold, how I set it up, and how you can create an income that pays you even while you are offline cooking, sleeping, traveling, or celebrating the holiday with your loved one. This is not hype, this is not fantasy, it is a system. So guys, let us dive in. Now, why is Christmas the most profitable month online? One thing 2025 taught me is people spend the money emotionally during Christmas. This is not logical, no. And the internet responds with high traffic, higher conversation, higher sales, higher demand for solution, and also higher gifting season purchases. So if you create the right offer, trust me, December becomes a gold mine. So I noticed 4 things spending has really triggered. It triggers gifts, last minute holiday needs, digital downloads, that is instant no shipping, then things that saved time. And this is where automation comes in. Automation allows your product to sell itself, delivers itself, and also upsell itself and collect payment automatically. Now, when your system is set up, you are no longer trading time for money. Yes. Now, what I sold to automate my Christmas income is, so my last Christmas, these products really brought most of my automation income, which is what? My digital products, which is my top earner. Guys, in this my digital products, I have my Christmas budget planner, my holiday meal planner, family gift tracker, then digital wallpaper, stress-free holiday template, and kids Christmas activity sheets. Then also remember in one of my videos I told you guys I once did my smudge paint, like I once was into smudge painting in as much as I was no longer active. But you see that my smudge art and digital portrait, I use apps like my Photoshop, my Remini, Procreate, Ibis Paint, Lightroom, my Photo Lab, and Viola AI. I use it to create couple portrait. I use it to create family Christmas portraits and also kids cartoon portrait and pet portrait. Like I really did a lot of things with that smudge art, and then I uploaded them to my Facebook marketplace. That is just it. Now also my AI assisted digital packs. Now I use my AI prompt packs, my caption bundles, and also my Christmas Canva templates. I use all these to sell without even me being online. Now the automation system that built the exact thing that I did, this is the exact steps that I'm going to break it down for you right now. Now here is the things that get exciting about this. Let me show you guys exactly how I was able to automate everything. Do you understand about my digital product? The first thing I did was to create products you only build once. Now digital product is equals to passive income, I hope you know, and digital portraits is also repeatable. Now I like this whole thing really sold a lot of things forever for me. That is just it. Now another thing I did was to upload it to a platform that delivers automatically. You understand? Platform that delivers instantly without even you using your ST, your PayHip, or your Gumroad. So customers pays and products downloads automatically, no manual work at all. Do you understand? Then also I set up my automation email delivery by using my Canva Canva Kit, my MailerLite, and also Flow Desk. Now this automation sends thank you email, it sounds bonus download, and also upsell offers, and more to that. Do you understand? Then also, it built a search traffic instead of posting daily for me. Now my Christmas product listing ranked because I was able to use high traffic keywords. I was able to use season specific SEOs and also my right tags. So people searched and they found my product and they bought it while I was doing nothing. Do you understand? So that is just it. Then another thing that I also did was to add simple ads, although this can be optional depending if you want to do it, fine. So for these simple ads, I use my Pinterest pin, my Facebook reels, and also my TikTok videos at some point that time. So all originally they have no paid ads on it, and the system worked because it didn't rely on me being online. It relied on search traffic plus my automation. So now you might be wondering how much I made on this whole thing. Do you understand? I made a lot of sales. Yes, I made a lot of sales using my digital planners, using my portrait, my Christmas Canva template, and also activity sheet and affiliate links. Do you understand? I really made a lot. Like, it solved a lot of bills for me that time. Now this is why I said this: don't allow your Christmas to be boring. You understand? Don't work harder in December. All you need to do is to do what? Work smarter before December. Now, how can you automate your Christmas income next year? Some of you, this year might be late for you to start this, but I will advise you can actually start this by next year. So if you want to run your Christmas income, like if you want your Christmas income to run itself in 2026, you need to start now by doing what? First of all, choose a product. It can be either digital or AI assisted. Then you can make it an evergreen. Do you understand? Christmas version plus general version. Then go ahead to upload early. Now platforms boost early listings, and also go ahead to build your SEO based visibility. Go ahead and search traffic sales for you. Do you understand? Then also automate your delivery. Never send files manually again. No. And lastly, create a simple preview video. You know why? Because this can actually boost conversation up to 40 to 50%. So that is this. So trust me, guys, you deserve a December where you are not stressed about money, where you are not panicking about bills, where you can actually enjoy Christmas fully. Do you understand? Now, when I automated my Christmas income, I realized something very beautiful. What I realized is that peace is the real profit, and automation is a vehicle, and then also preparation is the engine. Because had it been I didn't start on time, trust me, I don't even know what will happen by now. I don't know. So if I can build this system from scratch, you too can actually do it. You need to go ahead and automate early and earn forever. So if this is your first time of coming across my video, you are welcome. Do well to like this video, comment in the comment section, I am automating my income. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss out on any of our weekly posting. Do you understand? Thank you very much for stopping by. See you guys in my next video.